Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to sign up to QQ account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To sign up for a QQ account, begin by downloading the QQ application from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have an account, open the app and tap on the blue button that appears on the screen. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Simply input your username and password, then tap the blue button again to log in. For those who do not yet have a QQ account, start by opening the app and, instead of tapping the blue button, select the button on the left. This will take you to a screen where you will be asked to enter your mobile number. Ensure that the country code displayed is accurate. If it isn't, you can change it by tapping on the country code option and selecting the correct one for your location. Once you've entered your mobile number correctly, tap on the blue button to proceed. Next, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA or puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. After successfully solving the CAPTCHA, a verification code OTP will be sent to the mobile number you provided. Enter this OTP in the designated field, then proceed to fill in your personal details, including your chosen ID and password. By completing these steps, you will have successfully signed up for a QQ account. So that's basically how to sign up to QQ account. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.